Let's have a look at what we get in the Black Cat Diamond Painting Kit. Of course, we have our piece of canvas and it has the clear plastic over the top and the sticky surface where we put our gems. Down the side, of course, we have our key here to help us identify all of the numbers. The picture looks well printed, the colours are bright and vibrant, all of the letters look very clearly set out, so I don't think I'll have any problems in putting the kit together. We have 20 different colours, which we can see down the key here, and we have 21 sets of gems. This one has 2. All of the other colours are individual, and of course they're nice, dark, rich, deep colours. Each one clearly identified with a number on the front, which corresponds to our key and the letter on our diamond painting. So there are 20 different colours in total. And of course we have our toolkit with the dotting tool, the sorting tray and the little bit of wax. It looks like a very nice kit. I think I'm going to have fun doing it.